The biggest challenge in education isn't our students. Then, what is that? Hello everyone, this is Dr. Neeta. I'm India's first educators transformation coach. Let's explore in this video. What if I told you the biggest challenge in education isn't our students? It's how we prepare and empower our educators. So challenge is with the belief. Every year, we discuss board results, competitive exams, artificial intelligence, technology, infrastructure, future skills. But ready? Do we ask the most important question? Who is preparing the people who prepare our children? The answer is very few schools are thinking in that direction. Think about your own life. Close your eyes for a moment. Can you remember every chapter? Your student? Probably not. But can you remember the teacher who believed in you, encouraged you, and changed the way you looked at yourself? And that's the power of education. The reality is not just written in the book. We expect educators to inspire with confidence, for building their character, manage technology, understand psychology, communicate with parents, prepare children for careers that don't even exist yet. But tell me honestly, who is preparing our student for the enormous responsibility? What is our vision? Imagine an India where every educators walk onto the classroom not just with lesson plan but with purpose, leadership and confidence, emotional intelligence and the ability to unlock the potential of every child. That classroom wouldn't just create toppers, it would create innovators, ethical leaders, problem solvers and compassionate citizens. The manifesto is what we are expecting. This is not just another training program. This is not just another summit or event. This is an educational kranti, a movement that believes when educators transform, of course, classroom transforms, school transforms, communities transform, and ultimately, nation transform. So I invite every principal, every teacher, every educational leader. Don't just prepare students for future. Let's prepare your educators who will create the future. And that's how become the part of Educational Kranti movement. Empower educators, transform the classroom, transform the nation and contribute by adding a lot of value in the society. Don't you think that this is what is the crucial time wherein educational reform is required? So first we need to work on our educators rather than just focusing on here and there infrastructure, technology. Your educators are very important pillar of your educational organization. So become the part of upcoming event, that is Educators Growth Summit. It's not just an event, but it's a movement. Write your school name wherein you will get honored because you become the part of history. You become the part of this global movement, and that's how we are going to encourage your participation in this type of movement and this type of legendary activity. So whether you have registered your school for our upcoming event, so please don't forget, and I would like to see you there. Thank you very much.